In this guide, I'll show you how to fix microphone buzzing, static, cracking, and echo background noise on your Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press the X button on your controller, and from here we're going to scroll over to parties and chats. Now, whether you're in a regular party on your Xbox or you're in a Discord chat, you will have the ability to select options. Now from here, ensure that noise suppression is turned on, and then you want to scroll down and go to audio settings. Now make sure your headset mic's toggled on, and for headset volume, this is just going to be what you're going to hear, so have that turned up. And for your headset chat mixer, this is going to prioritize either game volume or your actual chat volume. So in the middle is good for most people. The first thing I recommend you do is turn this up so you can hear yourself talking. And then what you want to do is adjust the headphone jack on your actual headset. So ensure that it's fully plugged into your controller. That might be the issue, just unplugging it and plugging it back in, as well as ensuring that you're talking into your microphone relatively close to your mouth. So maybe an inch or two away, you don't want to be eating your mic or else you're going to get a lot of that feedback, but you want it to be somewhat close to your mouth without being too far away. Now, another thing you can do if neither of those things really worked is to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and from here scroll down to devices and connections, and we're going to go to controllers and headsets. Now, under your Xbox wireless controller, select the three dots, and then what you want to do is make sure your controller is running the latest firmware version. This is going to ensure the best performance out of your controller as well as headset. Now, if none of that works, I'd recommend trying a different controller if you have one, as well as maybe a different headset because that could just be the issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.